Hello and welcome to the Univertech. Today I am going to discuss how to use multi-resolution modifier in Blender. Like subdivision modifier, it's allow you to increase subdivision level of any mesh. But little bit difference between subdivision modifier and multi-resolution modifier. So let's check out what is it. So go ahead. Select the cube and first of all I'm going to add subdivision modifier and increase its level to 4 and similarly add a new cube, change its location and go to the modify tab, add multi-resolution modifier and now you can see nothing happened because we cannot subdivide this mesh. First of all we can subdivide it at 4 level and now we can see the difference between subdivide modifier and multi-resolution modifier. So let's jump to the edit mode. You can see this is shown original mesh and now we go to the multi-resolution modifier and jump to the edit mode and you can see this is also show a cube that is original mesh. Basically multi-resolution modifier used to sculpt any object. It is very helpful in sculpting. So let's jump to the sculpt mode and let's sculpt something. Sculpt it in here. You can see we can sculpt it and now select other one, that is subdivision modifiers, and now jump to the sculpt mode, sculpt it here. You can see it cannot change it in detail because it changed its base mesh, that is cube, and let's jump to the multi-resolution modifier and jump to the edit mode. You can see this is also like a cube, but when we're going into sculpt mode you can see here is one checkbox named as sculpt base mesh. When we check it, this is also behave like change into base mesh. So if we can not check it, you can change it as a sphere. And now if we are apply this modifier, we can change as well as multi-resolution modifier. So what is the difference change happened between them? If I select the object that have multi-resolution modifier and jump to the sculpt mode, you can change its resolution on different layouts. If I want to jump on the object mode, into the object mode, you can see this work in level view work, you can see that, and in sculpt mode, and this is for render mode. And now optimal display, for this jump into the wireframe mode and if check it, you can see, and if I uncheck it, you can see all vertices that original in multi-resolution. And now simple and linear, add base mesh, plane cube and add multi-resolution modifier. You can see here, let's duplicate it here, and if I subdivide it at 4 times, you can see this mesh convert into UV sphere. Sometimes we wish to work on cube but in subdivision condition. So what we can do, we can simple subdivide it. You can see this is subdivided at 6 times. This is more than enough, and if we can sculpt it from here, you can see that is subdivided but in original mesh, and this geometry convert object into UV sphere. So that's all from my side with multi-resolution modifier. I hope you learned this tutorial very well, and if you like my video, press like button, and if you are new on my channel, press subscribe button, hit the bell icon for latest update on my channel, and leave your feedback in comment section. Be ready for the next lecture of modifier, that is remesh modifier, and thank you.